Right now, the digital asset market is at a terrifying crossroads where one click could cost you $50 million. dollars. The rules of the game just changed with a massive regulatory shift that most investors are completely ignoring. If you don't understand the new 2025 tax protections and security threats, you are essentially gambling with your financial future. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint to secure your assets and scale your portfolio before the next wave hits. Now, again, none of this is financial advice. This is simply public data that is for informational and educational purposes that is available to everybody. But because we are here daily to give you guys these valuable videos, why don't you comment 777 down below if you're feeling bullish and you're feeling blessed, and let's run into the video. Navigating the 2025 regulatory shift. The landscape of digital asset oversight has undergone a radical transformation, moving from chaotic enforcement to a structured institutional framework. You need to realize that the old days of the wild west of trading are being replaced by a system designed for massive banking adoption. This isn't just about more rules, it's about the safe harbor protocols that allow major financial entities to finally enter the space. The departure of key legislative figures isn't a sign of collapse, but a passing of the torch to a new era of automated, pragmatic compliance. To understand this, we have to look at the three pillars of the new oversight: institutional integration, how banks are legally permitted to hold your digital keys; programmatic tax enforcement, the shift toward real time reporting for every single microtransaction; consumer protection shields, new laws designed to claw back funds from centralized exchange failures. This is like the transition from the early internet dial up to the high speed regulated fiber optics we use today. The complexity is increasing, but so is the potential for legitimate long term wealth building without the constant fear of a sudden rug pull. You must adapt your storage strategy now to align with these new institutional standards. But these high level changes are only the beginning of the story for your personal wallet. The Secure Wallet Protocol. The recent $50 million draining attack isn't just a headline, it's the blueprint of a new poisoning tactic being used by sophisticated syndicates. You must stop copying and pasting addresses from your transaction history immediately, as these are now being spoofed with near perfect accuracy. This is a psychological game where the attacker relies on your fatigue and muscle memory. Modern wallet drainers don't need your seed phrase. They only need you to approve one limitless spending permission on fake decentralized applications. Follow these three mandatory security tips. The zero trust verification. Always verify the middle four characters of an address, not just the start and the end. Permission revocation. Weekly use of tools to scan and cancel any open spending approvals on your hot wallets. And the air gapped barrier, moving 90% of your holdings to a device that never touches the live internet. Imagine your digital wallet is a vault inside a glass house. Everyone can see what's inside it, so your only defense is the strength of the lock. If you leave the door unlocked via an open smart contract permission, the glass house offers zero protection. You need to act like a cybersecurity professional, not just a casual investor. Understanding security is vital, but knowing the price levels the whales are watching is how you actually profit. Moving on to analyzing the 2025 price floors. The market is currently defending a critical psychological level that will determine the trajectory for the next 6 months. We are seeing massive buy walls at specific technical junctures that align with institutional entry points. If these floors hold, the supply shock from the recent halving events will likely trigger a parabolic move towards six figures. The fear index is actually a lagging indicator. The real money is moving while the retail sentiment is at its lowest point ever. The institutional anchor: why $85,000 has become the new line in the sand for spot ETF providers. The scarcity multiplier: analyzing the daily exchange outflows compared to the new daily production rates; and the liquidity wave: how the upcoming shift in global central bank interest rates is preparing to flood risk assets. Think of the market like a coiled spring. The longer it stays compressed in this zone of uncertainty, the more violent the eventual breakout will be. You have to be positioned before the spring uncoils, or you'll be left chasing the pump with the rest of the crowd. So stop waiting for the perfect signals that will never come. If you're tired of living with that background of anxiety, you need an ironclad portfolio protocol. Let's chat one on one about building your defense system. If you have $50,000 of crypto sitting idle, learn how the top 1% of investors secure, grow, and scale their portfolios without losing sleep over scams, hacks, and volatility. Your portfolio could be generating a half to 1% in daily yield while you sleep. Book your one on one call at the link down below to get your portfolio evaluation done and see how you can set it up once and let it compound. The link for that call is in the description below. But even with the right price entry, the government's new tax gifts could be a trap if you don't handle them correctly. Now, exploiting the new tax protections, a revolutionary discussion draft has emerged that could finally make small digital payments tax free for the average person. We're looking at a potential $200 exemption for stablecoin transactions, which effectively turns your digital wallet into a functional checking account. This is a massive win for the utility of the entire ecosystem. This isn't just a tax break, it's the government's way of soft launching a framework for a future digital dollar without calling it one. The micropayment loophole, that is how you use the $200 limit to avoid capital gains on daily expenses. Now, reward deferral strategies, there's new rules allowing you to delay taxes on your staking and mining income until you actually sell. And lastly, the reporting requirement shift, why you no longer have to track every single cup of coffee bought with a stablecoin. This is like being given a get out of jail free card for the most annoying part of digital finance. For years, the friction of tax reporting killed the dream of using assets for real world commerce. Now, the barrier is being dismantled brick by brick. However, the biggest threat to your 2025 gains isn't the tax man, it's the ghost of a legendary advocate who is leaving the scene. The Post Advocacy Survival Guide. The announcement that the crypto queen of the Senate is stepping down creates a massive power vacuum in the legislative halls. You cannot rely on a single champion to protect your interests anymore. The movement must become decentralized in its political influence. This transition marks the end of a hero phase and the beginning of a systemic phase. The most pro-crypto legislation often passes when the headlines are focused on other distraction events. Our eyes need to turn to the new power brokers, identifying the young, tech-native lawmakers who are taking over the subcommittee seats. The 2026 prediction model shows why the next 12 months we will see more bills passed than the previous 5 years combined. The regulatory race is showing us how the US is being forced to innovate because other nations are already winning in the digital wealth race. Imagine you are on a ship where the captain just retired in the middle of a storm, but the ship is now equipped with a state-of-the-art autopilot. You don't need a hero at the wheel when the rules are hard-coded into the system. The future is no longer about personalities. It's about the unstoppable momentum of the technology itself. Now that you have the full 2025 blueprint, it's time to see what your life looks like when you actually implement these steps. By following this structural blueprint, you've secured your assets against $50 million draining threats, positioned yourself ahead of the institutional supply shock, and mastered new tax-free payment protocols. You're no longer just a retail investor. You're a strategic participant in the new global economy. Life after implementing these steps means having the peace of mind to ignore the daily noise and focus on the long-term wealth generation. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start automating your security and strategy right now. Click the link in the description down below to book your one-on-one call. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay bullish.